Okay, it's the next episode of uh, my activity learning Arabic on Duolingo.com. Okay, so you see me here. I'm number two now. Yesterday, two. It's two. It's a quarter past two in my country now in the afternoon. And yesterday at at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I was number five yesterday, but now I am number two here. Yeah, because I finished many lessons. So that's why I rank two now. Okay, and next I will continue my study. Yeah, if you finish until level one in the first topic here, you can go to the next one like that. I finished all. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I just finished level one. I go to the next. Yeah, it doesn't matter. The next topic because I prefer learning many topics rather than one topic with the same level. Okay, so later I will back again to the previous topics like this one. Okay, I finish now. Checkpoint 3, checkpoint 4. Yeah, I'm here now. I'm level 2 here, and then about job, also level 2, about time, level 1. Okay, now, yeah, to make me not feel bored, so I will learn about hobby right now. Okay, 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 we begin now. Oh, there are five levels, and then each level has four lessons. Okay, so now I will do the first lessons here in this first level, in the first level. Okay, start. Yeah, okay, so it's the first lesson here. Letter. What is letter in Arabic? Okay, I still remember this one. Letter in Arabic is risala. Risala is this one. Check,
رسالة.
check. Risala. Yes, letter. Art. Oh, art. What is art? From the picture, I can guess this one.
فن.
Fun. 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 Oh, it's new for me. Yeah, for me, it's new. Okay. But yeah, the interesting thing in this activity in Duolingo, so these words will appear many times in the activity. So I can easily remember. Fun, art, check, correct.
أتكلم مع أمي عن رسالة غريبة.
أتكلم مع أمي. I talk. I أتكلم. تكلم say or talk. Oh, I'm talking. I'm talking. مع with. أتكلم. I'm talking with مع أمي. What is with here? Or there is no with? Oh, maybe about أمي, about mother. I'm talking about mother and رسالة غريبة about mother. Oh, maybe أتكلم مع أمي عن رسالة غريبة. غريب there. Oh, wait, what is this? Ala an is It's confusing. I got confused here. Kata kelama Ummi risalatah ghariba. I think wait later. Wait later. I'm talking about my mom. Wait later. Is it correct? I'm talking. Check. It's wrong. I'm talking to my mother about wait later. Oh, sorry. So on here, I'm talking ma Ummi. Oh, translate into two. I'm talking to. So in English too here to my mother. I'm talking with my mom about a wait later. Yeah, okay, that's better. Continue.
ماذا يحب؟
Mother, what you hip here. The picture is female here, but you hip here.
يحب
You hip he. What does he like? Yeah, the picture make me confused.
هل تحبه؟
هل تحبه? You. Do you love him? هل تحبه? Do you love him? Check. Correct.
كري لا تحب النوم بعد الظهر، ما مشكلتها؟
Kari la tuhib. Kari is the name here. Kari here. La tuhib. You don't like. Tuhib. You don't like. There is what you here. Oh, so it means Kari doesn't like. Why use? Oh yeah, okay. Does not like because it's female. Doesn't like to sleep. La tuhib doesn't like naum sleep, but the duhur afternoon. Ma mushkilah. What is the problem? Ma mushkilah. Ma mushkilah. To her, what is the problem? What is ma mushkilah to her? What is her problem? Maybe not the problem. Okay, because her there. What is her problem? Check. Yeah, lah, it's correct. What is her problem? Carrie doesn't like to sleep in the afternoon. Carrie doesn't like to sleep. Oh, indeed, I forgot it. Yeah, sorry.
أريد نهاية الأسبوع.
I won. نهاية. What is نهاية? نهاية الأسبوع. I won. Maybe the weekend. أريد نهاية الأسبوع. Because أسبوعية is week. أسبوع week. نهاية. I won the weekend maybe. Check. Yeah, correct.
وأنت يا رانيا هل تحبين القراءة؟
And you, Rania, هل تحبين? Do you like قراءة? Do you like to read? Check. Correct.
تحبين النوم يا جودي؟ تحب النوم. يا جودي، تحبين النوم يا جودي؟
تحبين is a female.
تحبين
تحبين
النوم
النوم
يا
يا جودي.
جودي، تحبين النوم يا جودي؟
Check.
هل هذه الرسالة طويلة جدا؟
Is this letter طويل long جدا very long. Is this letter very long? Check.
بوب يحب الأكل العربي.
Bob likes أكل food عربية. Bob like Arabic food. Check. Correct.
ماذا تحب بنته؟
What تحب بنته. Bintu here is daughter. What does Bintuhu his daughter like? What does his daughter like? What تحب بنته. Oh, correct.
روزا تحب القراءة والكتابة.
Rosa likes read. He likes to read and to write. I think after like not to read, like reading, not like to read. I don't know. Let's check. Okay.
بوب يحب القراءة قبل النوم.
Bob likes to read before sleeping. Check. Correct.
وأنت يا مايك ماذا تحب؟
And you Mike ماذا تحب? What do you like? Check. Correct.
كري لا تحب النوم بعد الظهر، ما مشكلتها؟
Okay. This one I was wrong before. Carrie doesn't like to sleep after in the afternoon. That's one my mistake. In the afternoon, but the door. What is her problem? What is her problem? Okay, this one is correct. Check. Yeah, correct. كاري لا تحب كاري لا تحب النوم بعد الظهر. ما مشكلتها؟ كاري doesn't like. كاري لا تحب النوم sleep بعد الظهر in the afternoon. ما what is مشكلتها her problem. Continue.
في
Okay.
نهاية الأسبوع عندي وقت.
في نهاية الأسبوع in the weekend. Oh, use on here. Sometimes people use in or at in on the weekend, not on the weekend. In the I have وقت time. في نهاية الأسبوع. نهاية الأسبوع. Check. Correct.
وأنت يا سامي ماذا تحبين؟
And you Samia, what ماذا تحبين? What do you like? What do you like? Check. Yeah, correct.
الفن مهم.
Alfan art. I remember. Okay. Alfan muhim here is important. So the art is important. Alfan al here there's one is specific like the alfan the art muhim is important. Is al art is important. Okay, art is important. Is okay, check. Is it correct? Yeah, correct.
من لا يريد النوم في نهاية الأسبوع؟
Man here, who la yurid doesn't like. Who doesn't want to sleep on the weekend في نهاية الأسبوع. Check. Correct. Okay. من لا يريد who doesn't want sleep في نهاية الأسبوع. On the weekend.
أتكلم مع أمي عن رسالة غريبة.
This one I talk to mom. I talk with mom. Yeah. I'm talking أتكلم مع أمي to mom with mother and about رسالة غريبة a wait letter. Check correct. What's the mistake? I'm talking to oh my sorry
كري لا
forgot
تحب
again.
النوم بعد الظهر، ما مشكلتها؟
Again, Kari doesn't like to sleep by the dhuhr in the afternoon. In the afternoon, what is uh what is the problem? What's what the Kari doesn't like to sleep in in the afternoon. Ah, almost in the afternoon. What is her problem? Correct.
أتكلم مع أمي عن رسالة غريبة.
Okay, I'm talking to my mother about a wait letter. أتكلم مع أمي. I'm talking with my mom. Ummi, my mother. And about. Okay, check. Correct. Finish. Okay, come on. Still loading. Yes, finish. Okay, am I still number 2 in the ranking? Let's check. Well, let's check. Oh, 837. Okay, he is learning. I don't know, he or she is learning Mandarin, not learning Arabic. Okay, okay, everybody. So finish. Okay, so I finish the first lesson in this level. Okay, so I need to finish 4 more lessons, and then Duolingo will activate these 3 topics: food, transportation, and food 3. Okay, and then checkpoint 4 we will finish, and we'll go to the next checkpoint about phone, family, etc. Okay, everybody. I think that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share to your friend if you think this video is useful. Okay, see you. Ma'assalama.